A letter to my mother. Mom, I asked you for new pants for Eid, but you fixed the old ones again. Why did you do that? I was angry. I said, "You are ugly. Why did Dad marry you?" Mom, I told you I wanted to eat meat, but you cooked beans again. I was upset. I said, "Don't we deserve meat? You are ugly. Why did Dad marry you?" Mom, I said I wanted a heater like my friend Hassam. You said your hugs are warm enough. I didn't believe you. I said, "You are a bad mom. Why did Dad marry you?" Mom, I needed new shoes, but you fixed the old ones again. I cried. I said, "Why did Dad marry this woman?" Mom, my teacher said, "Let your mom help you study." I told him you cannot read or write. The kids laughed at me. I felt shame. I said, "Why did Dad marry this woman?" 10 years later. Today, it's been 10 years since you left. I am now finishing university. I came to your grave to talk to you. I was a foolish child. I did not see your love. Now I wish to give half my life just to see you fix my shoes again, just to see you sew my old pants. I came to tell you, I now love beans more than meat. Your hugs were warmer than any heater. You were a kind mother. You didn't teach me school lessons, but life taught me something big. A mother is a gift. Losing a mother is pain. Can you come back? Just for me? Just for one night? One night only. I want to tell you about the meat I didn't eat. I remembered a boy kicking his plate of beans. His mother cried in silence. She said, "Beans are a gift. You will understand one day." And now I understand. I want to tell you about a young man. He bought a heater last winter. It gave him warmth, but not love. He stopped using it. He needed a mother's hug. I want to tell you about a man with many pants, but he kept one old pair. His mother fixed it 6 times. She had no money. She said, "I'm sorry. If I had money, I would sell my eyes to buy you pants." Oh, Mama, I would sell my eyes just to see you again, just for one day, to kiss your foot, the foot that the train took when you saved me from falling. You died 2 days after the accident. I lived. And every night I dream of a child falling from the train. His mother saves him. They live together. But I wake up and the child lives alone.
The end.